What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a 2010 Duramax with the LMM, and today got a package that arrived that I'm going to be throwing on my truck. I'm pretty excited about it, so I guess without further ado, I'm installing a 7-inch tip. Pretty excited about it. I've read and saw videos online stating that it may make it a little bit louder because it's a bigger tip. Might just echo a little bit more, but we're going to find out right now. Right now I just have a full 5-inch exhaust back all the way back with a 3-inch downpipe, both from MBRP. Very happy about them, very excited about them. They sound amazing. So we'll go and throw this tip on and see how it goes. Alright, so before we get started, I came out to my truck the other day and noticed my exhaust was hanging on the ground. So when I further diagnosed it, I found that I broke that hanger right there. So I had to go buy some new parts. Went and got it. We're going to throw that on there too. Pretty simple install. I'll show you guys how to do that. Alright guys, it's pretty simple to take those off. Don't mind my co-hanger. It was kind of a pressing situation. But I just put a little bit of petroleum jelly on the tips. And then you can just force them right out. So here's the difference between the old one and the new one. This is the old one. Cracked right here on me. So the exhaust just fell right down to the ground. Apparently, according to the dealership that I bought these at, this is the new one right here. That's a pretty common one to go out on our trucks. So just to give you guys a heads up for that. Now that we got that hanger on, we can get started on the tip install. So we'll just fast forward through all this installing. It's pretty self-explanatory. You cut your exhaust to where how far you want your tip out, and then you take it and you just tighten it right down. Alright guys, now that the tip is on, I think it looks really clean. I'm glad that I went with the 7-inch with my exhaust. I think it looks really nice. I did notice that it seems to growl a little bit more, probably just because it's a little bit bigger, it's echoing more. When you're on the highway, it does drone a little bit more. I did end up backing this off and pushing it out a little bit further to see if that helps. I've had this tip on for about a week now, and I'm pretty happy with it. It sounds really great. I actually got it on Amazon for 35 bucks, so it's really inexpensive. They also had the same exact version in black, if you guys like that kind of stuff too. I'll leave the link in the description for you. Other than that, this will wrap up my video. Don't forget you guys to subscribe, and don't forget to like this movie. Thanks.